If you've lost your Galaxy Buds, Samsung's SmartThings Find and Samsung Find services are your primary tools for locating them. These services are central to the entire recovery process. The SmartThings app provides access to the Find feature through its navigation menu. You can see SmartThings Find listed in the left sidebar, which is your gateway to locating lost devices. The Galaxy Wearable app is essential for managing your Galaxy Buds. Within the app settings, you'll find the Find My Earbuds feature, which is highlighted here in blue. This feature may launch the SmartThings app for more advanced location options. Once you access the Find feature, you'll see your Galaxy Buds location displayed on a map interface. The system shows the exact address and timestamp of when the location was last updated, giving you precise information about where to search. The SmartThings Find interface provides two key features. First, you can play a ringing sound to help locate your buds when they're nearby. Second, ensure the Notify When Left Behind feature is enabled. This will alert you when you move away from your buds, preventing future losses. To summarize the key steps for finding lost Galaxy Buds, use SmartThings Find as your primary tool, access it through the Galaxy Wearable app, view the location on the map, use the Ring feature for nearby searches, and always keep the Left Behind notifications enabled for prevention. Galaxy Buds tracking has important limitations you need to understand. When your earbuds go offline, the tracking capabilities change significantly. There are three main scenarios where real-time tracking becomes impossible. When the battery is completely dead, when the earbuds are sealed inside their charging case, or when they're beyond Bluetooth range. Understanding Bluetooth range is crucial. Most Galaxy Buds use Class 2 Bluetooth, which has approximately a 10-meter or 33-foot range. Beyond this distance, real-time tracking stops working. However, even when your Galaxy Buds are offline, SmartThings Find can still help. The app remembers and displays the last known location where your earbuds were connected. Looking toward the future, Samsung is exploring ultra-wideband technology for Galaxy Buds. This represents a significant advancement in tracking precision and capabilities. Ultra-wideband offers significant advantages over current Bluetooth technology. It provides centimeter-level precision, better range, and more reliable tracking capabilities. Samsung's goal is to rival Apple's Find My network, which already uses advanced tracking technology. This diagram shows how Apple's system works with encrypted location data and network connectivity. While UWB technology is not confirmed for the upcoming Galaxy Buds 4, and the release may be delayed until early 2026, Samsung's commitment to enhanced tracking capabilities promises exciting developments in future Galaxy Buds models.